Hi everyone. We wanted to come on here real quick and show you what we've added this week for the week 2 workboard. Some of you have already reached out and you've noticed it that it is Kami, and if you look up here in the top right hand corner of mine, you see that K. That's actually Kami. And so what it is, and you can see it right there, it says a PDF and document annotation type app. So how this helps you is you can actually go directly into whatever assignment that we've assigned for you guys and use a text box or a markup tool to actually write on it. This makes it easier for you because you don't have to deal with the format being wrong if you, let's say, use a PDF and then you open it with Google Docs, and sometimes you've noticed that everything is shifted. So I just want to show you real quick how this works. I'm not going to click on here because it's a little different since this is actually my workboard and I'm a teacher. If you came to the classwork and you've already gone through the lesson on your workboard and you click that Math 2 practice, you'll be taken to this. So what you'll see is it'll say homework and practice 7.1, and then right here at the top, open with Kami. You'll click that. And again, mine might look a little different because it is a teacher version. So once you get to this point, I would suggest either using where is it? If you look over here, you can use a text box, which is right here, or you can use the drawing. Either one works. Now, for my second graders, I would suggest using the text box. That way I can tell what number it is, but I'll show you in a minute why the drawing tool is kind of difficult. So if I wanted to use my text box, all I have to do is just click it once. I can say, okay, I'd like my font to be 16. I come over here, I click, and then I can adjust my box that way. So I might say, okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. So I know I drop my ones place and then I carry my 10. So I might click this box again. I can open this up. I can carry the 1. And then I'd add this column together, which equals 7. So again, click right here. Text box appears. And I'd write 7. Now, once you get away from there, you can actually move it back over. So if some of your kids want to make it all nice and neat, they can. It's up to them. They can make it just like that. Now, if for some reason you're like, oh, I typed this in wrong, it's wrong, you can always go back and you can exit out that way, like this. I want to show you the drawing tool. So if you click drawing, again, you can decide what type of thickness you want. So I'm going to stick with 2. I would just stick with black also. That way your kids don't get too crazy with the drawing. So again, 6 plus 4, you could see 0, 1, 7. So even for me, this is a little difficult, which is why I suggest using the text box. And our kids will eventually, they will get better at maneuvering through this. I know the technology is a little confusing and difficult and stressful right now, but I promise you guys, the more that you use it and the more you work with it, the easier it'll get. Remember, you can always ask us any type of question at any time throughout the day, Monday through Friday, 7:15 to 3:45, and we're here to help you. Hope this video helps.